Hey fellow muscle gamers, oh yeah here, welcome back to a new part of Let's Play Bioshock Infinite. Last time we actually went to Monument Island and it ended up with that the whole fucking tower crashed and the songbird pushed us into the water and then flew away. And it was a pretty awesome episode, and I'm really getting into this game again because I think it's just as awesome as I played it for the first time, and I'm just gonna continue playing. I hope you like it as well. We're having one of those nightmares again.
Mr. DeWitt! Clean up the curb and wipe away the debt! Are you in there, DeWitt?
This is the only shooter game with a really amazing story.
Tell me what you want with her.
Open this door right now!
This
Are you going to
seems be
hurt
about-
her? Tell me what you want! Anna? Anna?
Battleship Bay. That's where we're going to continue. And you may think because Songbird has pushed us into the water at the end of the last episode, we are down from Columbia, because we should be somewhere on the real ground on Earth again. But you may be surprised.
No, it's me, Elizabeth. Are you all right?
Where am I?
Back in the land of the living. Here, let me.
I'll be fine.
You almost drowned. You need to...
I said I'm fine. Just keep
Oh, I love that sassy look.
Did you hear that? It's music.
You go on. I just need to...
Okay, I won't be long. I won't be long, Mr. DeWitt.
There we go. Still in Colombia. This is like a made-up beach, but this is so awesome made. This is so lovely made. And now we have to find Elizabeth again. That's awkward.
Come on, don't be such a crybaby.
Oh, fine. 2 more minutes.
Hey, you see a young girl?
Is this some kind of sales pitch? Because I'm not interested.
Oh
You see
well.
a young girl, blue skirt? No?
No. But I'm without an escort if you're looking to pass the time.
No, thank you. You look just exactly like these two ladies, and that's very scary.
You fellas seen a girl around here? Blue skirt, dark hair?
Look at this one. Why don't you just sleep it off, chum?
Why did I just don't punch your face, chum? Okay, our health is pretty down. Thanks to Elizabeth rescuing us, we made it. Go away, birds, that's my food. Trying to get some health back, and then look for Elizabeth. And Voxophone, yeah.
The prophet may know how
It
his
really
own
pays off
biography
to
is
look
going
around
to end, but
in the game.
I can scarcely fathom how I'm going to start it. I mean, other than the kid stuff you get at the Hall of Heroes, anything prior to his baptism was, and here I quote, hang on, left on the riverside. They'll call me a plagiarist, but I'm going to spend the first 30 pages regurgitating scripture.
So, the developers even said this is not a shooter like Call of Duty, you just can rush through. This game actually has so many things to offer if you play it slow, play it nicely, relax. stay at some points, wait a little longer, because they added so much future. Like, Elizabeth is interacting with the world so much if you give it some time. And this is a game you just can't play like other shooters. You really have to take your time playing it. That's what's making it
I'm
awesome.
looking for a young girl.
Who isn't, brother?
That's exactly what I mean.
Airship. That could be our ticket out of here.
That's a great idea. But how should we get that airship? Questions. Questions, questions. Battleship Bay. Let's see. This is the kind of stuff you really should take a look at. These small things. So this is a made-up beach in Arcadia just for the people who live here, because of course they want to feel like what would a city or town be without the city in the sky, be without a beach on it. So if the people were unhappy up here because they would say, oh, we got no beach, and down there at least we have beaches on Earth, on the real ground, and he came up with the idea thing.
All I want is fair pay for an honest day's work.
He came up with the idea to make a beach here, so everything there is in normal life as well. Okay, I guess I looked at anything in here. Okay.
Everything's changing. People don't know their place anymore.
Tell me about it. An Oriental stopped me on the street and asked me for the time. Just like that. There should be a law. I think there is.
How fucked up can people get? Didn't I just... never mind. You guys are anywhere.
Maybe you and I should go for a walk along the shore.
I'm not going on any walk with you. Your reputation is well established.
Guess I'm leaving you two alone.
Look at him, ladies. It's a crime someone doesn't get him a nice set of trunks.
So funny. It scares me that you all look three the same. Don't look at me.
Well, he's your brother.
Look at him. He's got the brains of a child.
You know, I know a fellow who can, shall we say, take care of
Damn. I'm going to marry you.
I've heard that before.
You have to believe me. I don't love her anymore.
It amazes me how many men I've met haven't the slightest idea who they really are.
Pretend you're
Woman.
please. Right. That's great. Move it.
Come on, mister. We're working here.
Alright, I'm sorry. Oh, I never found that one. Take a picture of me.
It's fine where it is.
Famous.
Oh, get out of my shot.
Okay. Just like Mr. Jefferson, get out of my shot. You fucked up my shot.
Just like the real world.
Well, I just drink his soda.
Tell my wife is scared, but I don't know how to comfort her.
Comstock will take care of the box.
Oh, health 80%.
When's he ever let us down before?
Okay, so I don't need to look around anymore. Dancing at dusk.
Hey, miss it.
There she is.
Miss? Could you just... Hey, I need you to stop. Hey, Miss. Miss Elizabeth.
Hello. Oh, this is wonderful. Well, come dance with me, Mr. DeWitt.
I don't dance. Come on, let's go.
Why? What could be better than this?
How about Paris?
Well, we know she's into Paris.
I don't understand. How could we get there?
That's where that airship's going, but if you want to stay and dance, we
No,
can...
let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go right now. I'm out. It's hard to believe, but it's true, isn't it? Oh, can you smell that? I've never smelled anything like that before, have you?
Beaches I know don't smell much like that.
See, if you take time, she does things like this. You really should wait sometimes. Really, she interacts with the world a lot. If you wait
Do you
here...
know this artificial beach was built in only 6 months?
Oh.
And how do you know that?
From one of the books I threw at you. They also served passing well for reading.
They better. She's trying to pick up one of the balls, but it's too heavy. This is why you shouldn't rush through
Don't
the game.
laugh.
I'm not laughing. Hey, you got a big ball there. Bet you don't have one in your... Okay.
It almost looks like a real ocean. It's just a set of elaborate pumps and rain catchers. Watch this.
So now she won't stop until you go away.
Gotta keep moving. We're gonna get the airship to Paris.
Okay, just one more.
No.
Right! Left! Right!
She actually can do this as well. She's standing there and doing it with them. But I want to keep going. You don't need to protect Elizabeth in combat. She can take care of herself, by the way.
I've read about him. They say he can see the future.
Give a man a little power. He falls in all kinds of love with himself.
I don't like his look.
Do you dislike the look of the prophet? Or his gaze?
Can we leave now?
Yeah. This place is pretty freaking me out. And stuff. Maintains employees only. Well, I'm unemployed. Exploring is one of the best things you can do in the game.
Aren't we the well-to-do types?
Yeah, pretty much.
Huh. Fall into the water did you no favors. I'll keep an eye out for something that might ease your pain.
I'm already back on full health, but thank you anyway, Elizabeth. I appreciate it. I would even not buy a puppet like this for 1 cent. I would not. Or penny. I wouldn't care. I'm just stealing his fucking money out of the... Never mind, he doesn't give a shit. Well, you're having a nice party, don't you?
Mr. DeWitt, here.
Bird.
Oh, these two again. Do you remember them?
Bird.
Nothing beats the cage.
And what to with the coins?
Never mind.
Look at these, they're amazing. Which one do you like more, this one or this? The bird is beautiful and the cage is somber, but there's really something special about it. I just can't decide.
I can't decide that one either. And since they came, these two guys in the background, well, were there with the coin at the very beginning, I'm gonna choose with the coin as well. If I get head, I choose the cage. If I get tail, I choose the bird. I get head, so I choose the cage.
The one on the left.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I love it.
I expected the bird.
If you're going to be a sore loser, then I shan't do this again.
Oh my god!
My God.
It has to be. Who else would
Look.
do such a thing?
Are you alright?
It was my home.
We should get out of here.
Let's go.
He tells us when he brings wise. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, Frederick.
She seems very uncomfortable with that situation. It was her home, even if it was kind of a prison for her. It was the only thing she know. She didn't even know the outside world. She read about it in books, but she felt safe there. I don't know. That's why she looks so scared. I don't know.
What I want to know is, why is there never a handyman around when you need one?
Because they always come when I don't need them. They're looking for me.
Sure you have a piece of photographic identification ready for presentation.
Put those arms up now. Fingers apart. Legs apart. Stand still. Now hold steady.
Good face. Sexy face.
I ain't getting through there.
I have just the thing. Come on.
Look at this one. Hey, copper. Look at this one. He's suspicious, if you ask me.
I don't see the point of
All
stuffing
right,
all
right.
of us
Quiet
just to
down
please
there,
one
Pete.
man.
Just go
Did you
home
hear
and
about
dry
the
yourself
statue?
up.
My God, what's happening?
Yeah, Pete. Go dry yourself out. This is the first time Elizabeth actually is a kind of help, because what she can do is she can open locked
Damn
doors.
thing's locked. What are you doing?
You're a roguish type. What does it look like? Done.
And she can do
Did
that.
you learn to pick locks?
Trapped in a tower with nothing but books and spare time? You would be surprised what I know how to do.
You know what she's talking about, right? You know. You know what she's talking about. Okay. So she's very helpful with opening locked doors. What you need for that is lockpicks, and we currently have 0. But the season pass should have given me 5, so I don't get that. I probably forgot to pick them up in the blue ribbon. Never mind. They're not so hard to find.
I must take any task with more than the slightest complexity, or they... Oh, hello, sir. Don't you pay me no never mind? Just some foolishness, you know. Just monkey shines.
Alright. I'll get you.
Hey, I found these silver healers. There's a vending device.
Oh yeah.
over there.
And she
There
finds
might be something to bring you
very
back to
useful
life.
items that she throws to you in combat, like salts or ammunition. And that's very helpful. If you run out of ammunition, if you can't find some, she probably throws something at you during the combat, which is very helpful.
Is your housekeeper acting suspicious? Try asking the girl a few key questions. Such as...
When I first seen Columbia, that sky was the brightest.
There's another power force, another gear. This is one of my favorites. 50% critical hit damage increases. That's so awesome. And meal targets are knocked back. I know this is part of the season pass, but This one is a lot better.
Who is Scott?
Actually, I want to check my gear out. I want to keep this. This is actually useless so far because I don't use possession so much. Possession so much on human. This could be very useful. Ammo is also very nice, and electric punch. Yeah, I stay with electric punch. Oh yeah, I have this too. But it sucks to always change
That
it.
ever
So
was. Seemed like heaven. Then your eyes adjusted to the light, and you saw that sea of white faces looking hard back at you.
You remember these two?
Hey, mister.
At the raffle?
We'd like to help you.
Do I know you? Back at the lottery, without you, we wouldn't have gotten away.
Daisy always said somebody like you would come along.
Okay. And they gave me 50% chance that a meal target is stunned victim is vulnerable for 3 seconds. Nah, I still stick with that, but I'm taking it. You never know when you need these things. And we are at some kind of fun place. Okay. Well, but we check that out next episode. I really hope you enjoyed this game as far as I do so far. I think it's amazing playing it again, like I said, and I will see you in the next video, Muscle Gamers. I really hope you enjoyed it. Oh yeah, says goodbye. Till then, bye bye.